Show me where he is. Where is he?
Where's Deedle?
Show me. Is this Deedle? Show me Deedle. What's Deedle sitting on? What's Deedle sitting on? Where's Deedle? Where's Deedle?
Is that Deedle?
Where's Deedle? Where? Which one?
He's
Which one is Deedle? That one? Yeah?
Can you point to
Deedle have
Deedle?
eyes? Where are Deedle's eyes? Yeah.
Oh, those are Annabelle's eyes. Can you point to your nose?
Deedle's hat. Does Deedle have a hat? Say hat.
Can you say hat?
Deedle has shoes.
Annabelle,
Feet.
come here. Come here.
Does Deedle have feet? Deedle's feet. Where's Deedle's feet?
Deedle.
Is that Deedle's feet? Where's Deedle's nose? See Deedle's nose? Does Deedle have hair?
That's Annabelle's nose.
Deedle's nose and hair.
Annabelle, can you say hat? Hat. Can you say Mimi? Can you say Mama? Can you say Bella? Bella.
Can you say Tilly? Where's Tilly?
What you looking for down there?
Oh, she's behind you. Bella's behind you. Bella's gonna give you a kiss. Bella's gonna give you a kiss.
Can you point to your nose? Where's your nose? And wave to Mommy. Wave to Mommy. Can you wave to the camera? Can you wave to the camera? Say hello, Mommy. Hi. Oh, here she comes. I got a close up. There she comes. I see you.
Annabelle,
Tickle,
can you
tickle,
say
tickle.
Tilly?
Where's Annabelle's belly? Where's Annabelle's belly? I want to see. Is this Annabelle's belly?